How to buy BabyKekius Maximus token. So this token, it came under the symbol of BabyKekius. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I am not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now before going and buy this token, make sure to check Jerik's account and keep following the updates about this token. So as you can see, if you go to Coin Sniper, this token, as you can see, it's available. You can buy it from the PancakeSwap. If you click on it, you will be redirected to PancakeSwap. And after that, what you need to do, I will just disconnect my wallet from here. Now connect your wallets. For this, I will use Trust Wallets. Now after that, log into your wallet like that. So after you log into your wallet, just connect, click on connect, and you will be connect your wallet. So as you can see, the smart chain, you will switch the network to smart chain, click on switch. As you can see, your wallet or our wallet is connected to PancakeSwap. Now to be able to buy this, as you can see, select here the token that you want to buy with, for example, USDT. Now here, enter how much you want to buy. As you can see, this is our token called BabyKekius. Now, as you can see, the price impact too high, proceed with caution, just reduce this price to like 30. As you can see, you need to reduce it more. As you can see, you need to reduce it more than that. I will just select the $10. Now after that, you need to fill your wallet by USDT. If you want to fill your wallet by USDT, you can go to your Trust Wallet and buy USDT from there, or you can buy it from in PancakeSwap. If you click on get it now, as you can see, you can type how much you want to buy. After that, you can select the currency you want to buy with, and as you can see, select the providers from here. For example, I will select Transact. After that, buy with Transact and wait a few seconds. And as you can see, you can pay with Visa, Apple Pay, Google Pay. After that, click on buy now, and you will be able to fill your wallet with USDT. And after that, you can buy this token on PancakeSwap. Another way to buy this token is by copy the token address from here and go and open your wallet, for example, Bitget wallet. Now after that, just go back and select the BNB chain from here, because this token address is under the BNB Smart Chain Network. Now after that, click on this plus icon, paste the token here, click on this plus icon here, and now go to your wallet and find your token. For example, this is it. Now after that, click on swap here and switch from here and select the token that you want to buy with, for example, USDT, and make sure you have enough USDT on your wallet and type here how much you want to buy. Wait a few seconds, and as you can see, it's how much you will receive. After that, just click on buy and you will be able to buy it. So this is how to buy a BabyKekius token. If you find this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.